Hey, Deborah.
Hey Doug, are you a risk taker?
Well, it depends on the situation and the amount of risk and the consequences. I wouldn't spend a fortune playing poker in Las Vegas, but I do invest in the stock market. And I love to ski, but I'm not 100% sure if I would jump out of a helicopter for heli-skiing.
So would you say you automatically assess the goal, the risk level, possible repercussions, and the probability of a risk happening? And then maybe you even stored that information in the back of your mind for future reference in a sort of mental risk library?
Well, sure. Wait a minute. I think I see where you're going here. I bet you've been looking at the new PPM and APM Better Together apps with governance, risk, and compliance that were in the ServiceNow Store October release.
That's a low risk bet, and you're 100% correct. We have two new apps that work together with ServiceNow GRC to help project managers and application owners adequately prepare for possible project or application risks and their potential consequences, and another GRC integration app that enables anyone facing an audit engagement to easily manage it as a project. Store that in the back of your mind.
Better yet, let's take a risk-free look at these three apps right now.
Project managers and enterprise risk managers have better together risk management with our new GRC Advanced Risk Assessment and PPM app. This new app enables them to assess project risks using an advanced risk assessment form. With the new risk overview table, they can calculate any inherent and residual project risks. And once any risks have been assessed, they can be viewed on a dashboard.
The project manager can begin by adding risks from a pre-existing library. She can see the results from the risk assessment. If she thinks it may be an enterprise risk, she can easily elevate the risk to the enterprise risk team.
Risk can be converted through the RIDAC workflow. Existing workflow on PPM continues as is, and all risks can be viewed by stakeholders across the organization on the new risk dashboard. GRC definitely helps make things better for project managers. Now let's see how using PPM makes things better for GRC audit managers.
The GRC plus PPM Audit Engagement app makes it easier for anyone managing audits as a project for better audit execution experience. Users can track resources, costs, and record time on the audit engagement record. They can also view their audit engagements within programs or portfolios.
This is ideal for customers who would like to manage audit engagements like a project with start and end dates, resource management, cost management, and time cards. GRC is also better together with application portfolio management. The new APM to GRC integration app reduces the amount of effort required to manage application risks, and it helps ensure operational resiliency for business applications by applying the right assessment, identification of controls, and attestation of remediation.
Application owners can assess application risks using the Advanced Risk Assessment feature of GRC and responding to the risk assessment questionnaire. The risk assessment controls on the application are determined based on these responses, as well as any information objects that the business application is related to.
Leveraging ServiceNow Application Portfolio Management and ServiceNow Integrated Risk Management Solutions, application owners now have a single end-to-end workflow to identify risks, establish controls, and attest to those controls across their enterprise application portfolio.
Why would anyone risk not learning more about these great new ITBM plus GRC apps?
Find out more at store.servicenow.com.